Well, hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove any scratch from your vehicle in just under 65 rupees. So friends, the trick is very simple. You just need to purchase a rubbing compound from any store near you. Well, I have used Waxpol rubbing compound and it costed me 65 rupees. So first you need to gently apply it over the scratch or the dent and wipe it off with a cloth. And we need to use extreme pressure so that all the scratch comes off. So friends, now as you can see, the spots are coming off and it's going off and we get the original paint back.